What about inflation? Do your retirement income examples include inflation, which reduces buying power? 40 years of inflation, 1.7, he's talking about buying power. So obviously, $3 million in 40 years from now is going to be worth a whole lot less, but it's still going to buy whatever it buys, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. And, it's, when you think about inflation, think about what you paid for, a chocolate bar and a can of pop or a soda when you were, just knee high to a grasshopper versus what you pay for it now. And if you have a policy that's increasing in value that is beating the pants off of inflation, how much capital do you want residing there? What's the alternative? You see my pool of financial value and all of our clients' pools of financial value continue growing uninterrupted, even when they're spending money. And so just by virtue of that, we're beating the pants off of inflation. When people are storing money inside of tax qualified plans or inside of savings accounts, the only way they can get to it is reducing the asset base. They have to reduce the asset base by withdrawing the money. So regardless of what's happening with inflation, you're already eroding the asset base, because the next time you go back there, there's less money than there was the last time. Whereas inside of your system, there's more money because it never stopped going up in value. So it becomes a choice. I know that my money must reside somewhere. So what better place to have it reside than here?